Hello, and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where you find the linky stuff, notification bell, there's reasons. But thank you so much for watching. Let's rock. Seven 3/4 deep, 15 inches tall. The floor also 15 inches wide and 11 long for front porch. And then I'll worry about the front and back when I have to worry about the front and back. Right now I'm putting in the 4 14.5 inch 1x2s. Not the phone. Mark where the others go. Oh, and I drilled drain holes in this and hit it with linseed oil. Something else I didn't think about. I can't thinsulate them because they're rodents. They just tear all that out and make nesting out of it. So, yeah, I don't have to mess with that. But first, I need to make 2 uprights. Thank you, Patreon, for the month of October. $9.85. 3/4 inch screws. $5.48. Yay, thank you. See, goes right back into the show. Damn it. Of course it's on the other side. Why wouldn't it be on the other side? 10 3/4. Well, of course it is. 10.5. 10.5. 10 3/4. It's in the middle. Why not? We'll find 2 sticks at 11. Great. Well, these are my choices. I made this 2x2 out of a 2x4. Served the purpose. Anyway, yeah, I think I can rip this and get my 2 11s out of it. Rip it, make 2 of them, get an angle, designate a length. Ooh, better thought. Put the angle on it first, then cut it in half. I can get 2 15s out of this bottom piece. With the grain. and still have room for blade to go between it. 15-15 with a blade width. Yay! Both pieces I need out of that panel. Yay! Only safe way. Oops, the only safe way to do this is clamp it to the table. That's the line. At least now I can work with it on here. And that blowout was on the outside of where I need to be. So cool. Dress it up. Just needed a more manageable piece. To stand here. Perch down. Ooh. Yes, please. Give me a squeeze. It didn't break, did it? No, okay. Yeah, that'll work. Alright. Dig your own hole. There you go. Door. Okay, back that off a little. Give it a lip or a gap. Yep, that'll work. Cool. Arm is killing. Gotta go. This has been Quiet, Dignity, and Grace. Like, hate, share, subscribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where you find the linky stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Neighbor's gonna be pissed.